Hello, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes. First, you're gonna look for the yellow one and make a flower using the white ones. So putting the white ones like this in this each sides of the yellow. So next is aligning the color white in the right color like this. You can do it like that and that and the other two. Now we have a plus white, so now we're gonna solve the other whites. So you can do this called sexy move. Do it until the white is below and it's in right color. Now let's try again. Orange and green. Look for orange and green and do a sexy move again. Now let's fast forward to the other. Now align the color and above the colors what you need, and you're gonna put it where it belongs and do it like this. Now let's take another example. This orange, and we're gonna put it in the blue one. So do it like this. Now again. Next is solving the yellow part. Do it like this. Now sexy move again. Some situation, there's a chance that it can be straight line. Now do it like this again. Sexy move. And now we have the yellow part. Now by solving the middle part, we can do it like this. If the situation is like that and that, we can do it like this. Now we have the perfect color matching. Let's skip to the next part. Next, we need to solve the yellow part, side part, by doing it like this. You need to keep doing it until the right color is aligned to the right color. Now flip the yellow and do a sexy move and keep doing it until the yellow is below. Now I have shown you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in an algorithm way. Thank you for watching, and you now can solve a Rubik's Cube. Thank you.